Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious slow cooker meal. Hot beef sandwiches. This meat is so flavorful and so delicious. And the best part of this meal is it's so easy to make. This is not a typical meal I'm used to making, but it's a meal my husband grew up eating, and I had to learn how to make it. I made it a little different from how his mom made it, but you should have seen his face when he tasted this. Let's just say I've already bought the ingredients to make it again. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video or recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Now back to making these delicious hot beef sandwiches. And here's a look at the ingredients you will need for this recipe. You will need a packet of French onion recipe mix or soup mix. You will also need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 onion, and about 2 to 3 pounds of boneless beef chuck roast. And you'll need some dinner rolls, really simple, just little buns, and then pepperoncinis. And another ingredient we love is this horseradish. It's so good on these little sandwiches. First, you'll want to prep your onion. You'll want to cut off both ends of your onion and then remove the outer skin. And then cut your onion in half and thinly slice each half of onion. And then add them to a plate. And next you'll want to prep your garlic. You will need 4 cloves of garlic. Simply remove the outer skin of the garlic. No need to chop anything. You will be adding this to your meat whole. And the garlic that I was working with, a lot of it was going bad. That's one reason I love growing my own garlic. I feel like it's fresher. Unfortunately, we grew a ton of garlic and it's all gone. It's already all gone. I guess I cook with a lot of garlic. And there you go. We're ready to cook. So grab a pot, one that will hold everything, and drizzle in some sunflower oil to the pan. Place your meat on a plate and we will be seasoning each side. So sprinkle on some salt and pepper. Seasoning your meat is very important. Seasoning each side. And now we are ready to cook. So make sure your pan is on medium to high heat. You'll want to sear the meat on both sides until brown, and that will develop a great flavor. You'll want to cook it for just a couple minutes. As soon as you see it browning, flip it over, and cook it for the same amount of time on the other side. After you have seared both sides, you'll want to take it out and place it on a plate. And get ready to cook your onions and garlic. You'll want to continue to cook them on medium heat until you notice they're starting to brown. And make sure you season them with salt and pepper. Now we will want to get our liquid ready. You can add your French onion soup mix to 3 cups of water and mix it up. And then you'll want to add in your meat. Add it back to the pan. And then we will be adding the liquid on top. As it bubbles away, we will want to add in our can of cream of mushroom soup. You can add in little spoonfuls and try to mix it in, or you could probably just add it to your measuring cup and then add in 1 cup of water with it and mix it around and then pour it in. After adding these dollops of soup, I actually did add 1 cup of water. Now, after adding all of these ingredients, your meat is now submerged in this flavorful liquid, and it's gonna make, as it cooks down, it's gonna make your meat taste amazing. So the last ingredient, last but not least, you will want to add in some pepperoncinis on top. And that's it. Soon you will be enjoying this delicious sandwich. So you will want to cook this at 250 degrees for 4 to 5 hours with a lid on it. After it's done cooking, you will want to remove any fat off the top if you see an overabundance. If not, you can leave it. But you will want to look at that gravy. It's going to be so delicious. With this meat, you will want to remove any fatty pieces, but it's so flaky. Look at this. Remove any fatty pieces and just put the good stuff in a bowl. And then we'll be straining that gravy, removing any little pieces, the pepperoncinis. We want to get this gravy separated. And now add back that meat to the original pot. And we will be adding in some of that liquid as well. And now it's time to get your buns ready. You will want to spread on some of that horseradish on one side of the bun and then add the meat. And that's it. And that's how you make a hot beef sandwich. They are delicious. I hope your family enjoys this recipe as much as mine. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.